Hello people, I'm here doing my first Pokemon open, and great, I'm in help. Usually everything. Okay, and this is a Ancient Origins pack. Separate openings. Okay, the first card is Quartire. Not bad. It's okay. It's got it? Alright, and it's a Spidark. This is a spider type. Spidark. Alright, card. Oh, a Whooper. His nap. What kind of move is that? Something your 4-year-old do. Ooh! A Gummy. Some like sperm. What's it? Oh, an Eevee, what up? Everybody knows it. Oh, a Metagross! Oh my god. I got a legendary. Got a freaking legendary. Got a freaking legendary. One of a kind. NT. Oh, it's a good one. What is it? Alright. Ooh, a good card. It's energy, it's a flash energy. I'm really excited about that one. Oh, this is a great pack. Sounds like if I'm has a fake reaction, but I'm really not. I kind of expected to get one. Oh, lucky helmet. I prefer a hard helmet, but that works. And that is it. I also got a Fearow as like the top thing. This is a good Fearow. I don't know. The Metagross is good, but so far I was the most proud of her. Come on. One of the legendary dogs, and there's a theory that these two are the same. It's just evolution. Yeah. And the Metagross, look at that. Sorry about the lighting, can I see you can Iron Cannon. And the coin. Coins are nice, right? So, sorry about the focusing. And yeah. That's really it for this video. I just want to show my Pokemon. I'm gonna do these every time I get a pack. But yeah, peace out, peoples.